Hello again. I'm just waiting for a visitor to come round, and I was watching this chart here, Euro GBP. It's on the weekly chart at the moment, and we can clearly see we've got two rising weekly candles. So they're red. Well, the second one is red because it gapped up, and but there's still we've got a low, high, high, low, high, high on the weekly. Odd. I'd literally just noticed that as I was talking to you. Actually, that's a very odd configuration. That second red candle. So there's the gap there, and we've now got two rising daily candles as well, or three now. Low, high, high, low, high, high. We can put a resistance on there. That will cause a problem with the price. That daily high there, and then I'm looking for longs on this. I'll tell you, I don't know whether I said that just now, but so we've got low, high, higher, low, higher, high. This is a pullback. There is a little trend there, but we're sat on this resistance. So let's stick a level on there as well. Go for that high of that red candle there. So we clearly now we've got a little trend on this H4 chart: low, high, high, low, high, high, pullback, and we're looking at hopefully the H4 to this H4 to pull back, fail to close below these, and then let's have a look at H1. Now we can draw a resistance on here, because this is high, low, lower, high, lower, low. We could then hope for, this is what I'm watching, so I'm just doing an analysis of what I think may well happen. So you can clearly see this is a strong trend to the upside here. We've got a useful distance, and this is what's attracted me to this chart, is that this is a 25 level here, and there's the 85 level there, big round number, 84.75 and 84.50. Now if this closes as I hope, then oops, do you want to use that one? What I'm going to do is put a little what looks like a theoretical candle in here. Now if this H1 candle, let's suppose this one here, the one that's forming, comes up to this level and closes above this 75 level, we will have closed above a reversal H1 candle level. More importantly, we will have closed above the 75 level, and that's when I would drop down to my 5-minute or 15-minute chart, start studying those, and I would hope to get a entry on that. Then we could expect the price to get or be affected by this resistance level again, which coincides, well, it is the daily high, the previous day's high, but it is this high here. You can see the high of that candle. We always expect resistance to have a problem or cause a problem. So that's it. That's my potential setup that I am watching. Now there's lots and lots of things to concern us here. I mean, we're now currently down below this and we look like we're making a new candle to the downside, so it's got to pull up over this H1 level here, in my opinion. It's got to get above the 75 level, as I've said. So it's a long-term watcher. When I say long-term, 3, 4, 5 hours. And if we reverse on the H4, as I mentioned, and close below this level, if it fails to pull back, that's what I'm trying to say, to make a long-tailed red candle here, then all bets are off, and I would expect this then to probably pull back further, and then possibly we would have to wait for an H4 reversal to the long side and then reassess the whole thing. But the main reason for making this video is not really to give you a pointer as to a trade. It's just to give you an idea of how I evaluate the charts if I'm sat watching them for whatever reason, you know, an appointment or something like that. And I do this throughout the day, on and off, and in well, 24/7 really. I'm always studying the charts, and I just thought I'd share that with you. So we shall see. Maybe it will break above this level and do what I expected. I might be able to trade it, or it might just be a before and after video of analysis of what did finally happen with this chart. So I'll upload this now and see what happens later. Thanks for watching.